boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Gracie Abrams, a great artist here. She's been with us before. This time we have a song called Two People. Beautiful song there. So we have a couple chords to learn here, but the strumming pattern will be the same, so it's very easy to handle the chords in that way. So let's dive into this Two People. No need for any cape on this one, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the G B chord, that's G but with a B in the bass. Right, so that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. And then we have the standard G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have F major 7. So that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. A minor next, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we also have this D7 sus4. Sounds difficult, very easy to play though. So that is open D, second G, first B, and third E. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. So before we look at the different parts and chord switches and like that, we need to learn the strumming pattern. All right, so let's start to play that C, which the song starts with. So C is the first chord, and one string around is about 3 downs. You're gonna play like this. That's one round. So you're gonna play the first down on the bass strings and the last 2 downs on the top strings. So bass, top, top, bass, top. That's how it sounds, like a dance almost. All right, so let's take a look at the verse play now. You're gonna play both verses in the song in the same way, same amount of times of everything like that. So the first half of it will be like this. Is one round of this chord progression, the first half of the verse. We're going to play that for 2 rounds, but how it's done is 3 string rounds on C. Then you go to the GB chord. You're going to play the bass down, and then you're going to add this 3rd fret on the E string to get somewhat of a G chord. Play 1 kick on that. So the GB and this G, they split on 1 strumming round there. So this one is a little bit tricky part here in the song. So just to summarize it again, you have the GB chord, you play the first 2 downs of the strumming pattern, so the bass top, and then you add the 3rd fret on E string, the G note, to get somewhat of a G chord and play on that bass. So together the GB and the G is 1 strumming round. All right, and then you switch to the F major 7 and play 4 straight strummings there. So that's the first chord progression here, the first half of this verse. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds, and then you go over to the second half of it, and you're gonna play A minor 2 string rounds, G 2 string rounds, and F major 4, like this. And that A minor, G, and F major, you play that for 2 rounds as well. So the C, the G, B, G, and F major for 2 rounds, and then you go A minor, G, and F for 2 rounds, and that is one verse play. All right, that takes us to the pre-chorus part, and that is also played in the same way. All right, so you're gonna play the E minor 2, the F2, the C2, and the GB2. All right, that is one chord progression, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So F, C, and GB. And then you go for a second round, and that is your pre-choruses, both of them in this song. And then comes the chorus parts. We have 2 different choruses here, and they're not different, they're just played in a different way. The chords are the same, so it's C2, then the D7 sus 4 for 2 rounds, then the A minor for 2 rounds, and the F for 2 rounds. All right, that is when you play the second chorus with the strumming. But the first chorus here, you'll play the same chords, but you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So C, and then the D7, and then the A minor, and then C. That chord progression, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. That's the first chorus. The second chorus, like I said, you're gonna play strumming 2 per chord for 2 rounds as well. So that's the difference between the first and second chorus. Then after these choruses, we have the instrumental parts, 2 of them as well. And you're gonna play and continue the chorus play in the same way you play the chorus for 2 chord progression rounds in both these instrumental parts. And after the second instrumental part, you have this outro, all right? You just kind of continue the chorus play for 2 rounds. But this time you're gonna play it in the same way as you play the first chorus. That means 1 down per chord. And that pretty much covers Gracie Abrams' 2 People. Beautiful song, guys. Give it a try if you love these kind of songs. Very easy string pattern and pretty easy chords as well. So good luck with this one, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, yeah, please help me out here and give me motivation to go on. Until next time, play tuned.